Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If DoorDash is showing the wrong area or you want to order food in a different location, figuring out how to change the location can sometimes feel confusing. Maybe you are traveling, sending food to someone else, or simply ordering from a different address than usual. In some cases, the app keeps showing restaurants from an old area, while other times the new location does not update right away. A few quick changes inside the app are usually all it takes to refresh everything and start seeing nearby restaurants for the correct area. Let's walk through an easy way to change your location on DoorDash. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app and go to the home screen where delivery locations appear. Step 2. Tap the address section inside the DoorDash app to view saved or current locations. Step 3. Enter the new address in the DoorDash app if you want deliveries sent somewhere different. Step 4. Select the correct location suggestion shown in the DoorDash app after typing the address. Step 5. Refresh the restaurant list in the DoorDash app to load options for the updated area. Step 6. Check the top address shown in the DoorDash app and confirm the new location saved properly.